Hey everyone, Arturo here. Before we begin, I want to be honest with you about something. This skill is not a replacement for actually knowing how real estate financial modeling works. You still need to understand the basics, things like how a DCF works, what NOI means, and for example, in this case, why picking the wrong current year can break your analysis. That's knowledge you have to bring yourself. But here is where this skill does help. Once you have that foundation, it helps you work faster and make fewer mistakes when using the A.CRE simple actual plus forecast DCF model. Here is a simple way to think about it. The model does something really useful. It takes your real numbers from the years that have already passed the actual section, combines them with your forecast for the years ahead forecast section, and show you two things side by side: what you originally expected and what is actually happening. Here you can see the returns, forecast versus combined, the gap between the two. That is where you learn the most about your property. And the skill basically says upload the model, tell me who you are in this deal, and I will guide you from there. Are you managing the asset, or are you just trying to learn how this works? Just tell me and we will go through it together step by step. The idea is simple: you bring the knowledge and the judgment, and the skill handles the model. Now, let's talk about how to get started. You need two things: the model file and the skill. You'll also need an AI tool. That could be Claude, ChatGPT, or any other. Today, I will be using Claude, my preferred. First, you need to install the skill. If you have never done that before, don't worry. I will include a link below that explains how skills work and walks you through the setup. Then you can open it by typing a slash in your Claude and searching for it by name, and you will see it right in your skill list. Now you have two ways to work with this. You can upload the Excel file directly here and start from there, or you can use the Claude in Excel add-in and work right inside Excel, which is what I prefer. Why? Because you can see the model and the AI side by side working together in real time, and for me is more natural. That is what we will do today. I already have the add-in installed, the skill load, and I'm ready to go. For our example, I will use this document. It's written in the voice of an asset manager presenting a mid-haul performance review. You can see the investment overview. You can see the original forecast, 3 years of actual resource, and the remaining forecast for years 4 through 7, one document, one complete story. And I will start with this prompt. I'm an asset manager tracking a heavy industrial asset in Columbus, Ohio. I have 3 years of actual results and want to see how the deal is performing versus original underwriting. Here is my investment summary. I'm going to look for the file, and here is the file. Okay, then click here and notice what happened next. The skill recognizes the asset manager role and gets to work. It follows a clear sequence. First, it collects the forecast inputs, things like purchase price, closing cost, year 1 NOI growth rate, capex percentage, exit cap rate, and selling costs. Then it moves through the actual results year by year. Okay, this part is more exploratory. Okay, you can see our disclaimer, performance versus underwriting, verdict, year by year operating cash flow, reading the result, and you can see how the model has been completely updated. And one of the most important steps here is setting the current year to 4. That is the line between your real numbers and your forecast. Years 1, 2, and 3 come from actual results, and year 4 and beyond use the forecast. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and try it yourself. I hope it makes your work a little faster and a little easier. See you in the next one.